Welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's dive right into a massive hidden cost, secretly draining your cleaning budget. Did you know retail cleaning products are mostly pre-diluted? You're literally just paying to move water around. Retail markups are a total financial trap. Buying direct supplier concentrates focuses your budget on actual cleaning power. By completely cutting out the middleman, direct suppliers like Ntobi Cleaning Supplies keep pricing highly competitive for you. The real magic here? Yield. Just one bottle of concentrate gives you up to 20 times more usable product. For high-consumption businesses, this means massive financial savings per liter. Plus, it drastically frees up your storage space.
Now, in densely populated Gauteng, places like hospitals and restaurants absolutely need specialized commercial-grade chemical formulations.
Precision is crucial here. You really have to match the exact soil profile to the right heavy-duty chemical. Because a commercial kitchen floor covered in compacted fat needs technical, heavy-duty solutions, not weak, generic retail cleaners. Beyond just cleaning, you also have to survive those incredibly strict City of Johannesburg environmental health inspections.
Building compliance is super straightforward. Just follow these exact verification steps to ensure total food contact surface safety.
Transparent suppliers give you clear usage instructions. This offers a massive compliance advantage over anonymous cash-and-carry bulk products. Imagine running out of sanitizer mid-shift. That causes immediate severe business consequences and huge operational risks. So you need absolute reliability. Evaluate your primary supplier against these core criteria to avoid costly stockout nightmares. Ntobi offers online ordering with rapid fulfillment directly to your door, skipping those traditional wholesale warehouse trips entirely. Accessibility is totally key here. You never have to buy massive pallets or justify time-consuming wholesale trips. Their massive delivery network spans key Gauteng regions, completely taking the logistics burden right off your daily operations. So are you still paying retail markups just to move water, or are you ready for direct supply efficiency?